Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So this is my second video on Tesla for the day, and we have some structure break here, right? And then we are seeing some buying back also happen right in the later half of the day. So let's go over the price action. Let's see what things are happening. And just so you know, a video will be coming out on my dividend investing channel as well. If you're not familiar with that, link to that is in the description of this video. But I bought a little bit YTSL in there, but I'll talk about it when I do a video on that today. And that will come out on my dividend investing channel. Now, so Tesla, well, Tesla fell, but hey, don't you worry, my day trading bot still made the move, still made the money in the uptrend. You can see we were today profitable, got bought into that rebound today and made good money. So happy with all in all. Anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so let's go back to the daily interval, and as what we talked about this morning as well, that Tesla structure is looking weaker, and it has broken actually, guys. This was the area, right? Losing this 50 days moving average, and I was talking about as soon as we lose this, expect a flush to come, and that meant push us down to the next level. But pretty much we got there, 167 and 78 cents, and then some rebound came. Now, what from here? Well, so there are two things. The first one is this a liquidity grab? And what do I mean by that? It's a liquidity grab. In other words, is it a bear trap, right? That means it's just going to continue higher tomorrow. Well, so what is this liquidity grab is? So, well, when you are seeing this, sellers are sitting up here, right? Selling it lower and lower while the buyers have been trying to hold it up here. All these buyers have their stop loss right over here, right? Just like we would have a explosive move to the upside if we would have taken out the stop loss on the short seller side, right? But so if this has to be a liquidity grab or a bear trap, then tomorrow we need to see a candle get back above again into that $173 range. That has to happen tomorrow if this is a liquidity grab. If it's a confirmed continuation to the downside, at least until that Elon's package conclusion comes out, then we would still remain in the sell-off zone here in the supply zone. And let's go over to the hourly interval to talk more about it. So yes, so here's the thing, guys, right? This is what I was worried about yesterday, that I said, guys, this is the time that Tesla has closed closer to the downside of this buying zone and most likely will flush today, right? And we got that flush. So at this point, Tesla is in the downtrend. It is technically in the seller's control. If buyers can't regain 173 and 55 cents tomorrow, then forget it, guys. We need to get above it to get again into the bullish phase to confirm this liquidity grab. Otherwise, no, this is just a sell-off. This is just a bearish side on Tesla. And so the things to note now, yes, this rebound came. I showed you my day trading pot. It still made the money in the rebound. That's great, but don't get it confused that this rebound is now bullish. It is not full-on bullish thing though. All right, structure is still technically bullish unless the liquidity phase is confirmed, as what I talked about. But what we want to see is that there are two levels first, that if, as for the bulls, that Tesla first needs to show us. First thing, if it can get above $171.42 area, this significant level, that would be a start in the continuation to the uptrend, and that may give again the level of 175. But that's where there's this supply zone sitting. All right, so if I take you to the 5 minutes interval, that's where the magnitude of this supply zone is coming to visibility properly. This is a huge supply zone. So we need to take this out first as a bull for, to continue higher. This needs to be absorbed fully. Otherwise, no, this would just stay as in bearish, and don't expect much out of it. So technically, as long as we are not getting above 175, the supply zone area, Tesla may continue rebounding here. For intraday, that is like if we get above 171 and 43 cents tomorrow, that can continue higher, and that would be all the way up to the supply zone of 100 and almost 74 and 50 cents above to 175. And if we get above that, that's great. That confirms that, all right, that was a liquidity grab today, hitting the stop losses, and bulls can still continue higher. But otherwise, that's not happening. Well, that's the thing. We have to see how the Elon's package thing would happen. That also, there's a lot hanging on that as well. Now, as for the bears, if we continue to fail and reject under 171 and 43 cents, it's just a downside. And also, if we reject at 175, intraday some cool off may come, at least then down to 171 and 43 cents. These are the levels on then the intraday you are watching. So I would also say that this level of 167 and 75 cents, if to break below this, Tesla needs to gap lower. I mean, I'm covering all the possibilities that may happen. What would cause this level to break, right? Otherwise, tomorrow, this level could also act as a support if it doesn't gap down but starts to sell off and holds over here. This could also act as a continuation to the upside, at least for intraday, right? Some hold might happen intraday, some rebound might come. But that's only if we don't gap much lower and we stay up here and then slowly and slowly sells off, but not really like flushing, right? And consolidates here and then some rebound may come again. It all comes down to Elon's package, guys, at this point. Bullish sense would only come if Elon's package goes great. In Elon's favor, I would say. But yeah, the thing is that, again, we'll see what happens in the package thing. But yeah, as long as we are not above 50 days moving average right now, if we are below 175, 173, I showed you the supply zone. This is just a downside thing. It's not in the bullish structure though right now. Intraday, I gave you the levels anyhow it can be traded, but as for the overall structure, we are not bullish in the structure though right now, unless we get those confirmations. So we'll see. Am I like really in negative sentiment now, like as a bearish sentiment that is just going to continue lower and lower? Not quite so, guys, because we have this good support zone sitting at 164, at least for now. And also today's rebound is a good rebound. There's a wick down. There is not that the candle has closed a strong red down here. The body is not that strong red. So it's not fully, doomed, right? There's still something. Tomorrow if bulls can rotate it, this still has chance, but structure is bearish right now and it's in the seller's control 75% right now. All right, okie dokie. Well, guys, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Well, let's take a look at QQ and SPY as well. I don't think I'll have time today to talk separate. Well, I should talk actually. I'll do another video because Apple needs to be talked. All right, so yeah, I'll talk QQ and SPY there, but yeah, just so you know, we are fully bullish, but and then so is SPY. There's no structure break to the downside, still SPY is still bullish. I'll talk about it when I do QQ and SPY video. I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care, bye.